91.9 Friends FM frequency. Friendski, hello, this is RJ Arijit, and it's a very, very special day. We are celebrating Teachers' Day throughout the day, and I have with me none other than my teacher, my friend, philosopher, and mentor, Rukshana Kapadia. Rukshana, happy Teachers' Day to you.
Thank you, Arijit. I think I need to say the same to you because friend, of course, a friendship for life, and mentor for sure. My first foray into FM radio has been under your warm guidance and your generous, sort of sharing of experience and knowledge. So I think it's safe to say that we've taught each other, and I hope we have a lifetime of learning from each other to get going forward as well. Happy Teachers Day to you
Absolutely.
too.
Happy Teachers Day to you too as well. And we actually owe a lot to Jimmy sir because it is only because of him. Because I always believe that my little bit of radio journey, I really owe a lot to him to bringing me into this foray of food. And of course, Rukhana, you have brought me to the foray of hospitality industry to know food better. To do a research about food, and there's so much what I have actually learned from you. But Rukhana, just to go back a little while, so you started your career as a teacher. So of course, this day is a very, very special for you too. Tell us something about your journey as when you started off as a teacher.
Well, I actually started life as a teacher. Yes, absolutely right. I'm a trained and qualified teacher. I taught English and history to classes 5, 6, 7, 8
Oh,
at
history, my
Sushila
subject.
Birla. Yeah, at Sushila Birla Girls School. And it was my teachers, and my mother is a teacher. And, seeing the kind of bond that she's had over the years with her students. And the fact that I found that synergy of learning is always two-way. My
Absolutely.
mom learned as much from her students as she taught them, and that has been very humbling. And perhaps what made me want to start out as a teacher. And I learned along the way that to be a teacher, you first have to be a student, and you have to constantly be a
Absolutely.
student.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So it is indeed a splendid journey. Like today, I know, very, very special day, the Teachers' Day, when you are actually we are looking back, and like so many years has passed down, but we still look back to our teachers who have actually helped us to cross that edge, and the learning never stops. It still goes on. And Rukhana, your food journey has been a splendid journey. And tell us something about like your mentor who you look back and you always believe that, okay, fine, I mean, like, this person, I really owe a lot to this person who's brought me into this foray as well.
Absolutely. My mentor, my father figure, and most beloved inspiration of my food journey undoubtedly has been the late Mr. Arnab Basu of Switz Foods, which owns the Mio Amore franchises in Eastern India. Uh, Very many years back, our paths crossed due to my food writing and blogging. And He started following me, and I had the good fortune to meet him. It was an instant rapport. He's an incredibly generous, kind, fine human being. I have yet to come across a finer person. Unfortunately, we lost him a month and a half back, and that's perhaps one of the greatest losses of my life.
Absolutely. And
He's
the greatest
doing
loss to the
well
industry
now,
as well.
but I genuinely believe that he's up there and he's always going to have his hand on my head and guide me.
True.
When it comes to mentors in hospitality, the other person I really look up to is Mr. Rocky Mohan,
True.
who is the founder of Gourmet Passport. It's been a privilege to, be able to learn from him. Uh, there's no doubt in my mind that these two fine gentlemen know and knew an incredible amount about food. But for me, the fact that they are exceptional human beings, very kind and generous with their knowledge and mentorship, is what has actually, won my heart and
Absolutely.
always will.
Very, very, very true. In fact, I actually got a pleasure to meet Rocky sir, and it was only because of you I could actually meet him in person. And what a splendid personality! I mean, like like they are the teachers who actually guide us and help us to learn every single moment. And Rukshana, I really personally I owe a lot to you because you are the one person who have actually brought me into the foray where I could actually do, something about food, knowing the food better, how to go about with it. So, that is incredibly, I think it's my learning and it never stops. And so we walked a long way with Friends Kitchen Heroes of Hospitality. And of course, many more special years or many more special shows are yet to come. But it has been a splendid journey with you, Rukhsana. And on the very day of the Teachers' Day, if I, ask you to say something about your teachers, your mentors, your guide on this very special occasion, as we are absolutely live on Facebook on 91.9 Friends FM.
Absolutely. I mean, everything that I am, everything that I ever will be has been because of my mentors and teachers. For me, of course, the first mentors, like everybody else, are your parents and immediate family. So my grandparents and parents have played huge roles. Another person I really was very attached to and learned a lot about life and love and humanity from was my mom's younger sister, who unfortunately we lost at a very early age to cancer. My partner Suneha is my constant, and she's definitely someone who teaches me to be a better human being every day.
And Suneha is a very strict teacher.
Oh, very. I'm terrified of her. She's the one I'm
She's a
really
strict
scared of.
teacher.
Though she's going to kill me for saying this live on air. And, you know, going forward, there was two very special teachers during my school years. One was the late Usha Nen, who taught me history in class 11 and 12. Again, she's not with us anymore, but she was one of my inspirations in becoming a teacher. The other one is Miss Sharmila Bose, who is the principal of Sushila Birla Girls School now. But we started out as her being my English teacher in 11, 12. She is family today. We've had the pleasure and privilege of calling each other family for the last 30 years. And she's a very integral part of my life still. And there are so many people, I genuinely believe, Arijit, and I say this with all humility, that you learn from every single person you meet. You know, when it comes to radio, it's always Jimmy and you. There's so much kindness in both of you. There's so much generosity. I am not someone who likes to be in the public eye, as you know. I still would break out into cold sweats every time before we recorded our show weekly. And I always, you know, looked for the comfort in your voice and your smile. And that helped me get through that time and actually learn to enjoy it. So thank you to Jimmy and to you for all that and more. And yes, I look forward to many, many more happy learning curves with both of you in the future.
Absolutely. Same here, Rukhsana. Thank you so very much for giving time to us, because it has been an absolutely a very very splendid journey, learning from you every single moment, and it was a kind of that kind of a process and the friendship that we rebuild every single moment, where we get to learn from each other. We have been a teacher-teacher ratio. I mean, it's just the salt and pepper, the ingredients that make the food, the comfort food, palatable every single time. And yeah, of course, today is a Teachers' Day, and it's a very, very special day when we reach out to our teachers, when we think about your teachers. Many more of teachers who are there, and many more who are not there, but they're very much in our hearts. So thank you very much, Rukhsana. It has been a splendid, learning every single moment from you, and many, many more years to come, of course. And we are going to enjoy a lot over coffee and some delicious food with lots of conversation and Nadja.
Always. Love you, Arijit, and thank you so very much to you and to Friends FM, who is very, very special to me. Undoubtedly the best of the best in the air right now.
Thank you so much, Rukhsana. I mean, it's just like a big family. We are always together. And stay hip to 91.9 Friends FM Facebook page, because we are celebrating Teachers' Day all throughout the day, where we'll be going live with teachers from all walks of life, and they are going to usher their memories about talking about their teachers and recollecting memories. And what a splendid moment to share those memories with each one of you. And wishing you all a very, very happy Teachers' Day. And on an ending note, I would always like to say my teachers are my friend, philosopher, my guide, my mentor, and I love my teachers a lot. Thank you very much.